Hello everyone, John McKelliper, Chief Revenue Officer, Rnetwork, and this is my promised update to you this week concerning our launch into India. Now, I will share with you that all of our license and registrations are complete with the Indian government, and with that I say, yes, I'm excited to get this going, and I know that you are too. We are in the final days of testing our systems and banking for India as we get ready to launch. Now, in India, the most auspicious days to start a business is the start of the Ganesh Chaturthi festive period. This duration, as you know, goes for 10 days starting on the 22nd of August. We will be launching our operations in this most auspicious period in India. There's more information to come very soon. Stay tuned. Exciting things to come.